Turn the on-off switch to off. Turn the pressure control knob fully counterclockwise to off. Point the applicator into the hopper. Turn the applicator on. Unplug the sprayer. If the prime valve kit is installed, turn the prime valve down to the prime position, or very slowly loosen the retaining ring or the hose end coupling or the pressure relief valve on the sprayer to relieve pressure gradually. After relieving pressure, loosen the retaining nut or the coupling completely. Clear the obstruction in the hose or tip. Release the pump clamp. Loosen the securing knob and drop down. Pull the pump unit away from the hopper. Disconnect the transducer from the pump body. Remove the 2 screws that secure the pump pin access panel. Remove the panel. Loosen the 4 screws securing motor top cover and remove. Rotate the fan until the pump securing pin is visible. Pry the retaining spring up on the connecting rod toward the motor. Push the pump pin out with a screwdriver. Loosen the jam nut and unscrew the pump from the housing. Remove the clamp and the intake housing. Disassemble the intake valve. Inspect the ball and seat for wear. If the intake ball shows wear or damage, replace with the same ball type. Remove the clamp and the pump cylinder. Remove both O-rings and discard. Remove the packing nut. Remove and discard the fiber wiper from the packing nut. Remove the piston rod from the outlet housing. Remove the throat packings and glands from the cylinder. Discard the throat packings and glands. Place the cage of the piston rod in a vise and remove the piston valve. Remove the packings and glands from the piston rod. Remove the piston wiper and backup washer. Inspect the outlet ball and seat. Replace worn or damaged parts as they may result in poor pump performance. Install the backup washer and the piston wiper onto the piston valve. Note orientation. Stack the female gland on the piston valve. Alternately stack light and dark packings. Install the male gland. Use 1 thin line of thread sealant on piston valve threads after 4 repackings. Torque to 90 foot-pounds. Install the new male gland into the outlet housing. Alternately stack the light and dark packings into the outlet housing. Note orientation. Install the female gland. Install the fiber wiper into the packing nut. Hand tighten the packing nut. Push the piston rod into the outlet housing. Tighten the packing nut with a screwdriver. Install 2 new O-rings. Install the pump cylinder onto the displacement rod and secure the clamp. Torque to 100 inch-pounds. Ensure the black rubber-covered insert is in place. Install the ball, the cage, and the intake spring into the intake housing and place onto the pump cylinder. Secure with the clamp. Torque to 100 inch-pounds. Reattach the pump. Reattach the pump pin. Ensure the retaining ring is over the pin on both sides. Tighten the jam nut. Reattach the pump pin access panel. Reattach the motor cover. Reattach the pump unit to the hopper. Close the pump clamp. Secure the pump unit to the hopper.